Assalamualaikum. Workplace tip number 2 is about team building, team dynamics, team development, team regulation, and team work is very important in any workplace. It doesn't only benefit your workplace or your employer, it benefits you as a professional and working in a professional setting, because a team is like a family. Any workplace is like a family, a house. Like, when you work together as a family, you actually connect all the dots and you actually provide more growth and more productive results by connecting all the dots together. Unfortunately, we live in a me, myself, and I society, and everybody thinks I can do myself or I can live for myself. No, the concept of developing a team, concept of working together is especially more important, because even Islam, as a religion for us as Muslim employees, provides us that excellence working together, the Jamaat, the Shura, praying together, congregating together and all that. So in a workplace setting, when you are entering the workplace as a Muslim employee, you need to understand the importance of teamwork, the importance of working behind your teams and standing behind your team and actually supporting your teammates. So it's important that you actually build the connection, build the bond with your team members, build the engagement ability of all the team members you're working with. Regardless of how big or small your team is, you need to develop the bond, the good working relationship, and always back each other up. Whenever you're doing a project, you're doing an event, you're working with a partner, you're responding, communicating with the partner, you're responding to the needs of the organization, you're meeting deadlines, always support each other and expect support from your teammates. So that's very important. Team building or team skill development is very important. It's a very highly successful skill to present to your future employers, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.